The main message of Sustainable Brands 2023 is that brands need to evolve from just claims on purpose to demonstrating real impact for people and nature. The way to balance system change ambitions, which is what we need to go for with incremental or day-to-day progress, is to have a continuous improvement journey that you can measure year on year the impact that you're having on people and nature. Those systems of management of your impacts need to be verified. You need monitoring and evaluation, and you even need certification, I would say, so that you have an objective, independent source of credibility to the work that you're doing.